Madison has his Dirty Bird working. And Ray Buchanan has a nice, smooth Dirty Bird. And it's like so many different versions of it.
My version was going to be the dirty old man, but
Give me a Dirty Bird.
See Dan Reeves, the oldest, whitest, most uncoordinated, least likely guy to dance ever.
love the Dirty Bird. Who doesn't love the Dirty Bird? Come on.